Hey there beauties, Jaleesa Charisse here coming at you with a new hair tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this pop-in perm rod set using the new Texture ID hair care line from Sally Beauty. So many people say that you can't achieve certain styles when you have 4C hair, but I'm here to say that you can. It's all about technique and the right product. So if you want to learn how to get your perm rod set poppin', keep watching. So I just hopped out of the shower and my hair is wrapped up, but I used the curl clarifying shampoo, which is sulfate free. It also has several beneficial ingredients and it does not strip the hair of the natural oils. I followed my shampoo with the Triple Moisture Cream Conditioner, which serves as an excellent detangler in the shower, and you can also co-wash with it. Now I'm just going to unwrap my hair and move on to the Intense Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner, which improves wet and dry combing or brushing, and it is a lightweight spray conditioner, good for curly to coily hair types. And I'm just going to spray my entire head of hair, and I'm going to use my hands to distribute the product. Since I'm going to be blowing out my hair to do this style, I like to section and detangle my hair using a Denman brush. While I'm detangling each section, I'm just going to clip the other hair out of the way using crocodile clips. These are super heavy duty and great if you have a lot of hair. After detangling, I'm just going to twist each section, and this helps each section stay out of my way while I'm blow drying, and it also helps stretch the hair so it's easier to work with. The number of sections may vary depending on how much hair you have, but for me, I like to do about 6 to 8 sections. Okay, so now that my hair is completely sectioned, I'm going to move on to blow drying. So I'm going to be using the thermal multi-styling foam, and this is great for blowouts as well as styling. All I need is 1 pump of the styling foam, and then I move on to using my Hot Shot Tools blow dryer and Denman brush to blow out my hair. I'm also going to be using a concentrator attachment on my blow dryer to help the direction of the air. For this part, I pass my Denman brush through each section and follow with the Hot Shot Tools blow dryer to straighten and dry my hair. I repeat this process until each section is fairly straightened. Some hair types succeed with their perm rod sets by just simply applying the perm rods, but I think for 4C hair, if you have a lot of shrinkage, it helps to blow out the hair first and then proceed with the perm rods. This will help you get a smoother finish. Now I'm all through with blowing out my hair on medium heat, so I'm going to close my cuticles with a cool shot. Now I'm all done and I can move on to styling. Now on small to medium size sections of my hair, I'm going to be using the styling cream as well as the thermal multi-styling foam again. This is an excellent cocktail for 4C perm rod sets. My favorite perm rods to use are the purple perm rods, which are I think one of the largest, and it's about 18 millimeters round. Okay, so let's talk about applying the perm rod. So I'm going to let you watch a couple of times and then I'm going to walk you through it slowly. Alright beauty, so let's get into it. I take the perm rod and I start in the middle of each section, and I take the lower half and I just kind of wrap it and twist it around the perm rod, and then I twist up on the upper half of the section to the root and lock the perm rod in. If you feel like you need a little bit more time with that part, you can always pause the video and replay. Let's go ahead and speed it back up and finish installing the rest of the perm rods. Once the rods are in, I leave the curls to form overnight, or if you're in a hurry, you can sit under a hair dryer. It is the next morning, my makeup is done, and I'm ready to see what this hair looks like under the bonnet. So let's go ahead and remove it. And I'm just gonna clean up the line where my bonnet was with my beauty blender. The entire time I am removing the perm rods, fluffing my hair, separating my hair, whatever, I'm making sure that my fingers are coated with my Silk Elements glossing polish. This stuff right here has been a go-to for me for the last couple of months. It's amazing for helping reduce frizz while you're styling your hair. The perm rods are all out, and I'm just going to add a little bit more of that glossing polish to my fingertips before separating my curls. So while I'm separating, I'm just going to separate and kind of curl with my fingers just so it can keep the same shape and nothing gets too fluffed out or too frizzed. I want my curls to be as prominent as possible. Whether I'm doing a twist out, braid out, perm rod set, whatever, I always fluff my hair at the roots using a pick. And so I'm using this one from Sally Beauty just to give my hair a little bit of lift and volume. And of course with volume, that means that my fro will be bigger. And finally, I'm going to finish my edges with a little bit of edge control. One of my favorites from Sally Beauty is the Silk Elements Extra Strength Edge Control. Your edges will be laid all day long. Alright beauties, so that is how I achieved my pop-in perm rod set on 4C hair using the new Texture ID hair care line from Sally Beauty. Be sure to check out Texture ID at your local Sally Beauty store or online. And if you love this tutorial, you can follow me on all social media at Jaleesa Charisse for more tutorials and reviews. Don't forget to glow, and I'll see you beauties in my next video. Bye! Hey there guys, so I know you love whenever I do a tutorial and then hop on over into a review, so that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I am talking about the new Texture ID hair care line from Sally Beauty. Now this hair care line is more geared towards women with wavy, curly, coily, or kinky hair, and to be honest I was a little skeptical before trying it out because I do have 4C hair and it tends to be pretty difficult to find hair care products that work for hair like mine. I've been trying to step out of my box a little bit when it comes to hair care because for the last year or so I've been a huge creature of habit and I've only been using one brand, and I just kind of want to try some different things and see what else works for natural 4C hair. The first product in the line is the Curl Clarifying Shampoo, and it has honey in it. So this is a sulfate free shampoo, and I actually really like this shampoo. You guys, I am not big on shampoos at all. You know this. Like, I am not too keen on trying people's shampoos because they tend to be really drying, but this one wasn't, and I like the fact that it does have honey in there because honey is a humectant and it just holds that moisture and it just adds moisture to the hair, the skin, whatever. So that's why honey is one of my favorite ingredients personally, and this shampoo has it, so like it. I have used this line probably about 3 times so far, and my hair hasn't felt dry after using this shampoo, so that is a really good thing. Next is the 3 times moisture cream conditioner, and this also has honey, so it pairs really well with the shampoo. For all hair types, this whole line of hair care products, but I do like the conditioner. I felt like my hair was moisturized. It was not dry afterwards. Because for me, like, if it's dry after shampooing and conditioning and I gotta jump into styling, like, my style is probably gonna fail because my hair is dry and I don't have any moisture, and I don't like to just depend on styling products to give me that moisture. Like, I need it to be there after I wash my hair. The deep treatment mask, it was just kind of okay to me. It has sweet almond oil, so if you're allergic to almonds, it may not be the best thing to use. Wheat protein and honey. I don't know. I've used this maybe like 1 or 2 times, and I don't know. It just seems pretty regular to me. I do have other deep conditioners that I love and I see like amazing results from, but this one I just didn't really, I don't know. It didn't do a lot for me, at least not in the time that I used it. I left it on for probably about 15 minutes in the shower, and I kind of just let the steam just do its thing. But yeah, so they do have a deep conditioner, but it just didn't really do a whole lot for me. The Intense Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. Now, I have probably used about 2 other spray leave-in conditioners within the last 6 months, and so this is my 3rd one. I like it. It does promote moisture and softness, and it kind of helped me detangle a little bit. It's supposed to help with the humidity. I have used this actually as a refresher, so when I did my twist out, I used this to refresh my hair, just kind of add a little moisturizing boost to my hair. I'm wondering how it will be. Let's see. Has honey in it, aloe vera extract, coconut oil, helps retain moisture and softness while sealing the cuticle layer to help block out humidity causing frizz. So I don't know, I'm wondering how this will be for my perm rod set, just because perm rod sets typically don't last past like a couple of days, at least mine don't. And this is also on blown out hair, so I'm just wondering how much my hair is going to shrink. This is the first time I've blown out my hair, actually. I don't know if I said this in my video, but it's the first time I have ever blown out my hair on my own. Like, I have never had the courage, not just because of the heat part of it, but just because it's always seemed so difficult to do. And I always like start one section, and I guess probably just my technique was off, but it's just so, it was always so difficult to me. Like, I would get through one section, or I would try to do one little section, and I'd be like, I'm about to jump back in the shower, and I give up. I'm just kind of wondering if this will be something that will help me retain this style and just kind of retain the curl. But yeah, have no problems with this one. I think it's really good as a refresher as well as a leave-in conditioner. So there's that. Oh, okay. So the one product that I think is my favorite out of anything here in this line is the Thermal Multi-Styling Foam. Now, if you saw, I use this to blow dry my hair. Like right before on each section, I took like one small little pump of this and I blew my hair out with my Denman brush and my blow dryer, and this is what I use to do that. And it actually is a heat protective formula, up to 450 degrees, so it's great for wrap styles, roller sets, and blowouts. Yeah, blowouts. So this is what I use, and I think it did a really amazing job. I'm not really sure if this is what helped make my blowout easier, or if it was just my technique, sectioning it off, making sure it was detangled beforehand. I'm pretty sure all those things played a part, but I really did think that this was awesome. And I used this before on each little section before putting them on the perm rods. This is what I use as well, just to kind of make sure it was fairly smooth and to make sure that it laid down. I probably didn't use as much as I could. I probably could have used more. I know some people use like a ton of styling foam and really lay it down, and I don't think I did that. This is only my first blown out perm rod set, so I can switch it up next time, but yeah. Either way, this was a really good product, and I would definitely use it again, especially when I'm blowing out my hair. The styling cream. So this has cocoa butter and shea butter, and I did use a little bit of this. I kind of cocktailed it with the Thermal Multi-Styling Foam, and use this first just to kind of do my usual styling cream butter thing. It works for my hair just because I really need something a little bit heavier than just a foam or a leave-in or whatever. These two products together were really good, and I think that they did the job. They did what they needed to do for this perm rod set. I am very happy with the way that my hair turned out. Now, I did a little over fluffing, and so this back part got a little messed up. I put it on a flexi rod, so that's why it may look like a flexi rod set over here. But yeah, I'm very pleased with my style. I love the way that it turned out. I haven't been out today. I'm about to go take a shower and get dressed and go out and flaunt this hair, y'all. The temperature is rising, so I get to go outside and it's not like 20 degrees, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, so that is my review on Texture ID. I really do like the line and how everything works together overall. But anyway, that is all I have for you guys. Those are my thoughts on the Texture ID hair care line, and I believe this is the full line. So I have kind of told you what I think about every single product. So if you are looking for these products, you can find them in Sally Beauty stores and on their website. And right now, I actually believe that they have kind of like a little promotional deal going on, so you can save some money when you purchase Texture ID. If you have any suggestions for videos, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. I'll definitely keep them in mind, and I will see you beauties in my next video. Don't forget to glow. Bye.